Okay, we want to talk about chemistry and chemistry of Form 2. In Form 2, what you should not first, what is an atom? An atom, these are small particles of an element that can take part in chemical reaction. We have semi-atomic. Semi-atomic, therefore, we have protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons, they are positively charged, they are inside the nucleus, they have a mass number of 1. Neutrons, they have no charges, they have no charges, they're inside the nucleus, they have a mass number of 1. Electrons, they're negatively charged, they're outside the nucleus, they have a mass number of 1 over 1840. After that, we should know 20 elements. First, we should know 20 elements, where we have hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. After knowing the 20 elements, we should know to balance the equations using the electrical configuration. You should also know atomic. What is atomic number? This is the number of protons in a nucleus of an atom. We have mass number. This is the sum number of protons and neutrons. We have isotopes. These are elements that have the same atomic number but different mass number due to difference in the number of neutrons. Due to difference in the number of what? Of neutrons. That's the end topic of topic 1. We step forward to topic 2, where we have chemical families. Chemical families, these are group F elements that belong to the same group. Chemical families are elements that belong to the same group. There we have alkali metals, alkali earth metals, we have halogens. Alkali metals, there we have lithium, sodium, sodium and potassium. In the outermost energy level, they have only 1 electron. Therefore, potassium is more reactive than lithium, while lithium is the least reactive. The physical properties of alkali metals: appearance, they have a shiny metallic luster. We have ease of cutting, they are soft and therefore easy to cut. Ease of cutting increases down the group due to decrease in the atoms, due to decrease in the forces holding the atoms together. We have melting and boiling point. Melting and boiling point decreases down the group due to weakening of forces of attraction. Electrical conductivity, they are good conductors of both heat and electricity. And you look chemical properties of alkali metals. Chemical properties of alkali metals, therefore you can say when sodium reacts with oxygen forms sodium oxide. Now you should just do balancing equation. Then you will look at the usage. Before we look at the usage, first we should know what is ionization energy. This is the minimum energy required to remove the electrons of an atom in the outermost energy level in gaseous states. And we look uses of alkali metals. Therefore, we said sodium is used in extraction of sodium cyanide, which is used in extraction of gold. Sodium is used in manufacture of sodium cyanide, which is used in extraction of gold. Sodium vapor is used to produce a yellow glow in street lights. We have lithium, which is used in manufacture of bright cells, which is used by mobile phones. Then we go to alkali earth metals, where we have beryllium, magnesium, and calcium. In the outermost energy level, they have a valency of 2. Therefore, beryllium has a higher melting and boiling point due to small atom with strong forces of attraction. Then their appearance, they have a metallic luster which is oxidized, and therefore it is polished before carrying out any reaction to remove the oxidized layer. Okay. Electrical conductivity, they are good conductors of both heat and electricity due to the presence of delocalized electrons in the outermost energy level. Have you understood? Have you understood? Yes. Their melting and boiling points. Their melting and boiling point is higher than that of the alkali metals because they have strong forces of attraction. Have you understood? From there, we have you understand? From there, we should look back. From there, we should look at the uses of alkali earth metals. The uses of alkali earth metals is used. We say that magnesium is used in the manufacture of magnesium hydroxide, which is used as anti-acid medicine. Hydrated calcium sulfate is used in hospital to make up fractured bones. Barium sulfate is used in diagonals of sulfur. Calcium is used in nitrogenous fertilizer. Have you understood or understand? Whatever.
Understand.
Okay. Then from there, we go to halogens. Halogens, they are in group 7, where we have chlorine and fluorine. Okay. Here in halogens, what we talk about mostly, what we want to talk about is their physical properties, where we have electrical conductivity. They are non-conductors because of they lack delocalized electrons. Have you understood that? Okay. Have you understand? Now we want to look when these halogens react with water. For example, when the chlorine. In halogens, we only have chlorine and fluorine. But have you understood? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. We have chlorine and fluorine. When the chlorine reacts with water, it forms chloric 1 acid plus HCl. Okay. When that one is just when they react with water. When these halogens react with ions, with metals, in short metals. For example, chlorine plus ion 3 chloride to give you ion 3. Chlorine plus ion to give you ion 3 chloride. Okay.
Yes.
We want to look the bleaching action. Bleaching action is if you want to talk about, you just talk about the chemical equation where is chlorine plus water to give you chloric 1 acid plus HCl, and chloric 1 acid plus di to give you DiO plus HCl. Have you understand? Have you?
Yes.
Okay. Maliza uji.